is that a lot of people are having problems with having good quality cameras. And I'm not talking about professional YouTubers or professional streamers that already have something that is, above the normal standard level of cameras. I'm talking about people who are just starting, trying to generate content, putting it out on the internet, like in YouTube, Instagram, anywhere. And they are actually using the webcam. And if they have a little tiny laptop, they're using the webcam of the laptop, which is a very, very bad quality. And then you have the lighting problem. And there's so many different things that make the quality of the video that you present out there really, really bad. So I was thinking, what solution can I offer somebody who is in that situation and wants to improve the quality of the video that they put out there, especially if they're doing interviews or if they're doing long time content out there? How can they improve the quality of the video? Because yes, sound is number one in my opinion, and number two is the quality of the video that you're putting out there. So how can you improve it? There's one thing that you can do without spending any money. Very likely, not 100% sure, but very likely. And that is using the video camera of your phone. Obviously, if you're using, like TikTok or Instagram, is the normal reaction is you do a video on your camera and immediately upload it to your Instagram. But what if you're trying to record something for YouTube? Well, the same thing. You can get a little tripod and, something similar to this. And you can just put your phone there and record. Or you can also have a little stand that you can use. Let me show you how to do it. Something like this. This is a stand. It's very heavy on the base. And the advantage is that up here, as you can see here, you can go up really high. And then you can, let me see, once you go there, you can do this. And you can then use the thing to put your phone in there. You just put your phone like this, and you have a stand that you can use to record, any video with some stability. Let's say if you're using the webcam of the laptop in order to do like zooms and stuff like that, how can you improve the quality of that video? The only thing you need is a telephone and a USB cable. And obviously the right version. If we're talking Android, you have to at least have version 14 of Android. Let me show you how it works, and let's compare the quality of the webcam, which is what I'm using right now. Let me put this away. The quality of the webcam, like this one that I'm showing you right now, and what the telephone can show you. First thing you need to do is connect the phone to your USB cable. So here's my USB cable, here's my phone, and I'm connecting it now here. Let me show you what happens. Once you have connected your phone, the only thing you have to do is go this section here. The PTP USB via USB is turned on. You click there, and you get this menu. In this menu, notice there is this option, the webcam option. So you select that, and once you do that, you will have this option here, webcam. You click on it and see what happens. You have a webcam, and the quality of this is much better. Let me show you exactly putting it side by side so you can see the quality of it in comparison. Well, you can see the quality is completely different. One is the webcam is the colors are really like exploding. The other one, the quality, if you look at the details, like on my skin, is like the real thing. And that, depending on how you want to go about it, could be an advantage or a disadvantage. But the quality of the camera is much better. So there's this logic that if you start with raw footage, especially in photography, you have the option to adapt it and massage it any way you want it, and you end up with the result you want. So you can go from really, really high quality, go down, no problem. But if you start with really, really bad quality, to improve that is almost impossible. So I just wanted to show you how this works, and I'll see you on the other side.